Hi, my name is Brian. This is my wife, Jody, and we wanted to tell you about our experience with the Physical Products Pro, the P3 group. It's been absolutely fantastic. We started on Amazon probably a year ago doing retail arbitrage outside of the group, and it was overwhelming. It seemed like the monster we had to feed constantly, and the monster changed its appetite daily, and that being Amazon is the monster. Trying to keep up with all of the nuances of selling and Seller Central and all the terms of service and all the changes in the algorithms, it just was frustrating. So we came across the ASM program and Physical Product Pros, signed up through them, and could not be happier. Ben and Charity have been with us step by step. They've helped us optimize our listing, spoken to our keywords, our launch, and we just launched our first product a little over a week ago, and it's going great.
Yeah, we couldn't say that we would be at the spot that we're at right now without Physical Product Pros and all the help that Ben and Charity have given us. And we so appreciate that help.
So if you're thinking about it, don't even hesitate. Join the P3 group, and you won't regret it.